we're more likely to be killed by soldiers and droids than his own beast. Am I the only one who notices the irony there?
No, but Star Wars is full of irony.
I'm up on the balcony, right?
Yep.
Like this trick, been working on it a while.
Oh, he's gonna knock you up.
Thrasher lives on flesh. Give her a taste.
He did knock me up, that's
I
weird.
think he was going to do it.
I'll get it next time.
You don't even hit to go off.
I don't this time because I have my evasion to pop them out of cover, but they're immune to damage if I don't do that. So, and it's only available like every other ad run.
Droids, soldiers, bah. Give me a war beast any day. Isn't that right, Thrasher? Train them right and they'll do anything for you. You like this trick? Been
He's gonna
working
knock
on
up
it a
Nixie.
while.
If you wanna get up.
Blood and bones, that's all she wants.
Nixie, no! I'm sitting right next to your corpse, too.
What corpse?
Mr. Wall.
Did someone answer my question?
What was your question?
Like this
Are we always on the balcony or if some point goes down?
Stay
they
on the
stay up.
balcony
No, you
for
stay
now.
on the balcony till the boss goes down.
That's my girl. Let them have it.
We're needed more up here than down there.
So much fucking AoE shit.
You like this trick? Been working on it a while.
It's across. He's also going to roar. So try to get full health. Or use defense.
I've trained hundreds of these things. Thrash is my best.
Just burn him. Ignore the next ads.
You like this trick? Been working on it a while. No! I'll kill you. I'll kill all of you.
Yep. Good job.
I put my evasion down so you guys can target them, I think.
As requested.